So now we are starting with next class of super class Tetrapoda, that is class Reptilia. Now what is the meaning of a reptilia? Repair means to creep or to crawl. Means what is the meaning of that? When these all the animal are moving, so at that time their belly region is attached to the bottom or a substratum. So that is called it as a creeping and crawling. Okay, so this is called it as a creeping and to crawl. So this is called it as a class Reptilia animal. Example of these animals are cobra, then wall lizard आपल्या घरामध्ये आहे ते, turtle, then crocodile, tortoise, chimelon that is tree lizard, crate and vipers. Okay, all these are the example of that class Reptilia. Now the characteristic of this class, Reptilia includes a crawling animal. As I already said, when they are moving, so at that time their belly region are attached to the substratum, so they are crawling and creeping animals. These are first true terrestrial vertebrates. Okay, these are first true terrestrial, means these animal, most of these animal in this group are not going inside a water. म्हणजे first true terrestrial म्हणजे ह्यांचं जे पण डेव्हलपमेंट आहे ते वॉटर मध्ये, then after that some of the animal from amphibia which is going outside the water in a terrestrial habitat, so they are also called it as a first true terrestrial vertebrate animals. That few may be aquatic and semi aquatic and also found in marshy area. जसं मी एक्झाम्पल घेतलं बघा टॉर्टॉइसचं. ओके, then if I'm example taking a turtle किंवा क्रोकोडाईलचं एक्झाम्पल घेतलं तर हे काय आहे, सेमी aquatic फॉर्म मध्ये, वॉटर मध्ये पण राहतात आणि टेरेस्ट्रियल हॅबिटॅट मध्ये पण. Now the next part is locomotion occurs by a limb. Okay, you can see that all the animal in this group having a two pair of limbs, and with the help of that limb there is a locomotion and a movement is a take place. The limbs are pentadactyl. Digit, if you see the digit of that animal, they having a 5 digit in the limbs, and all the digits consist of a claw. त्याच्यामध्ये काय आहे, nail like part आहे. So this is called it as a limbs are pentadactyl and digit with bears a claw. Limbs help the animal to walk and creep. Walking साठी आणि creeping साठी help होते. But the one exception there is a animal, snake are limbless. त्याच्यामध्ये कुठल्याही टाईपचं लिंब मिळत नाही. स्नेक क्रॉल ऑन देअर बेली. हे काय करतात, त्यांचं मुवमेंट त्यांच्या बेलीवरून होत आहे. Reptiles are also poikilothermic animals, that is cold-blooded animals. Their temperature are always changing with the surrounding temperature. Skin is dry, non-glandular, and covered by exoskeleton of epidermal scale or scutes and shield of latex. You can see that जर मी टॉर्टाईज घेतलं किंवा आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये क्रोकोडाईल घेतलं किंवा आपण लिझार्ड घेतलं, सो बॉडीवरती हार्ड कव्हरिंग प्रेझेंट आहे, and this hard covering is nothing but a one type of exoskeleton epidermal स्केलच्या फॉर्म. मग वेगवेगळा फॉर्म आहे त्याच्यामध्ये. लिझार्ड अँड स्नेक शेड देअर स्किन पेरियॉडिकल. तुम्ही लिझार्ड किंवा जे स्नेक आहे त्यांच्यामध्ये बॉडीचं जे कव्हरिंग आहे दॅट इज अ प्रोटीनस कव्हरिंग. सो अल्टिमेटली दे शेड देअर कव्हर. लिझार्ड किंवा स्नेक वगैरे काही काही इंटरवल मध्ये बॉडीचं ग्रोथ होण्यासाठी त्यांचं जे वरचं कव्हरिंग आहे ते काय करणार, चेंज करत. सो अल्टिमेटली त्यांच्या बॉडीमध्ये ग्रोथ होणार. टिम्पॅनम इज प्रेझेंट, as I already said, and as I already, that is they have a ear present but the ear is internal, that is tympanic membrane or a tympanum च्या form. Then the next part is heart have two complete auricle but ventricle are incomplete partially. You can see in this diagram heart जे upper part आहे auricle ते कसं आहे, complete आहे, but ventricle पूर्णच्या पूर्ण सेपरेट मिळत नाही. as like a human 4 chamber पूर्ण मिळत नाही. So we can say that this is 3 chamber or partially 3 chamber, not the perfectly 4 chamber. आपल्या बॉडी मध्ये ventricle पण divided आहे, पण ह्याच्यामध्ये ventricle undivided आहे. But there is an exception to crocodile. Crocodile मध्ये पूर्णच्या पूर्ण 4 chamber heart आहे. Then brain is a well developed. The olfactory lobe and cerebellum are better developed than those amphibian. Amphibian पेक्षा ह्याच्यामध्ये बघा olfactory lobe म्हणजे सेन्स ऑफ स्मेलचं जे पार्ट आहे ते and cerebellum जे पार्ट आहे ब्रेनचं ते का आहे मोस्टली डेव्हलप झाले आणि amphibian पेक्षा जास्त डेव्हलप. Sexes are separate, that is male and female is different, shows a prominent sexual dimorphism, means we can differentiate a male and female on the basis of their external characteristic, that is called it as a sexual dimorphism. Okay, so they point at fertilization is internal, that is union of male and female gamete. It is take place inside the body of this animal, so that is called it as a fertilization is internal done. They are oviparous except a virus viper, sorry, they are oviparous, that is they are laying a egg. All the animal in this group are laying a egg, but except the viper. Viper जे snake आहे ते काय करते, it is a viviparous, directly giving a birth to the animals. So that they shows the parental care, म्हणजे काय आहे एकदा जरी ते त्यांचं जे चाइल्ड आहे when they are coming outside. Okay, 11 नंबर तुमचा व्हिडिओ 11 आशिषा काहीतरी पाटील तुमचा व्हिडिओ ऑन आहे. अशिती पाटील 11 अशिती पाटील तुमचा व्हिडिओ ऑन आहे. Okay, see all of you. So they are oviparous, that is egg laying. Then exception is a viper जे की डायरेक्टली बर्थ देते चाइल्डला and they shows the parental care, म्हणजे ते चाइल्डचं त्यांचं काय करतात केअर करतात. Okay, so this is all about that class reptile.